Did you know that fog is essentially a cloud at ground level? This phenomenon, known as a wave of fog, can be both breathtaking and mysterious. But what causes this wave of fog? Why does it seem to roll onto land like some ethereal invader? Stick around till the end of the video to find out. Fog is a visible aerosol, which means it consists of tiny water droplets. These droplets are so small that they remain suspended in the air. When a mass of air cools down to its dew point through contact with a cold surface, and is accompanied by sufficient moisture, fog forms. Waves of fog specifically occur due to temperature inversions. When the air at the surface is cooler than the air above it, fog can form. Then, under the right conditions, this ground fog can rise and expand, leading to a wave-like pattern as it moves. This explains why we often observe fog rolling in from the ocean onto the land. It's also intriguing to note that fog generally forms during mornings or evenings, when the temperatures are cooler. Despite being a common meteorological occurrence, a wave of fog can dramatically alter visibility conditions within moments. It will make landscapes look almost dystopian as it rolls across the land, shrouding buildings, trees, and roads in a veil of mist. While it can create a beautiful, eerie sight, it can also pose severe challenges, especially to drivers and pilots. This is why many light-based technologies have been developed to improve visibility in foggy conditions. Aside from its visual impact, fog significantly influences ecosystems. Many organisms, particularly in arid regions, rely on fog as their primary source of water. Some plants in these regions have even evolved to harvest fog instead of relying on rainfall. Simultaneously, waves of fog can also act as a transport medium for various pollutants and aerosols when they occur in urban or industrial areas. This can impact human health and contribute to environmental problems like acid rain. Scientists continue to study these environmental implications in order to understand fog better and mitigate its negative impacts. Now, coming back to our initial question, what causes a wave of fog? It's primarily the wind. When fog forms, if there's a breeze moving faster high above than at the surface, it creates a wave-like motion in the fog. The stronger the wind shear, the difference in wind speed at different altitudes, the more pronounced the wave effect becomes. It's fascinating to explore the mysteries and intricacies of elements as simple yet complex as fog, isn't it? Nature never stops astounding us. As we wrap up, we hope you've learned something new and fascinating about waves of fog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any intriguing fog experiences to share or any queries, do drop us a comment, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to spread the word about this incredible natural phenomenon. Thank you for tuning in, and stay curious.